comedy specials at 8. Fishing rod and a quiet fear that what I caught wouldn't be big enough for you at lie and say I did great. And all of these moments they add up to something that feels so big. And all that I'm left with's a dry throat. I lose my head when you call me up and ask if I'm doing okay. Was it easier when I was younger? Did the ones I love seem rosier? Or was it all the trick you played on me?